Afternoon, probably as bored as me. Never mind. Welcome to Richo's Rapid Repair Room. I've been going through my pals this morning. I've sanded all the ends off, cleaned my pals, all that nonsense, waxed the joints, and in the process I've come a load of busted top kits what I've kicked over and whatnot over the past 12 months. So here's a quick tip on how to repair a busted top kit if you can't be asked to pay for it and you've got nothing else to do. So first off, we got a busted top kit. Now if I pass that down that way, the opposite way, I can see I've got a bit of room to play with. So what I'll do, scalp it down the top kit, pull it up nice, and then I'll make a little mark to see exactly where it comes out to, and I'm just going to scratch it with a blade. You can use whatever you want, probably more sensible to use something else, but I'm a rough arse git. So I just scratched a mark on that, and when I pull it back out, I've got a mark scratch there, okay, and I'll check that where it goes the other way. And there it is on the mark. So now I've got something to play with. So what I'll do now, carefully, now the best thing to do is put some electrical tape around the piece of section you're going to cut and where you're going to cut it. But I ain't got none, I can't find none. So I'll just be careful. And you don't put it right through, just do a little bit and move it round. Trimmed off all the broken bits. Now I've got some card on. I'm just going to sand that off on the card. And then I'll try it again. Okay. So now I'll do the external bit and trim a bit off that. Got a Dremel, it's even better than trimming these off. Mine's at my dad's and I can't see it. Sand that off, nice and clean. Yep. Now, as you can see, there's quite a bit of carbon in there. That's just what I've been saving up. And if you want to get some, all you've got to do, find an old piece of carbon, give it a little bit of sandpaper and get yourself some dust. And I'm going to use that in a minute. Now all I've got to do is find the piece of section that I just done. Here it is. Right. So that now scalps that through there nicely, and I've got one here that's not been broke, and that's how much I've lost. You lose 3 inches, okay, so it's not anything significant to worry about. Right, now what I'm going to do now, just to finish this off, I'm going to get some 2-pack glue, okay, and in this instance it's Loctite double bubble, and I'm just going to mix a bit of that up. Okay. Hold up packet's ideal for this. Makes a nice little spreader. So what I'm going to do now is where the join is, where it scalps through. See that? Yeah. I'm just going to get some of this glue and I'm going to smear it around where that joint is. Okay. Nice and smooth around it. And now I'm going to get this carbon dust. Yeah. And I'm literally going to roll that section, and you can see that, and roll it in the carbon dust. See that? And I'm going to leave it 10 minutes to dry. And if you want, you can get a little bit of very fine wet and dry paper, rub it over. It's good as new as far as I'm concerned. Cheap. Stay safe.